Hi guys, I'm going to be unboxing, I think it's the Dayan Zhanchi, so let's open it up. It's just going to be a real quick video. It's my mom's birthday today. I'm not telling you the age. I'm just saying that it's my mom's birthday. I'm just going to cut this. Good enough. And here's the Dayan and little bingo deal card. And just like I thought last time, thought it was not stickered because I forgot that I wasn't stickerless. So it's just the white side faces up. That's why it looks like that. But I'm really excited to have the Dayan Zhanchi. I only have the Guhan. Oh, this is way better. Oh my gosh. Such an improvement. Such an improvement from the Guhan. I love this. So that's pretty much it for the video. It's just unboxing it. So bye and see you later, guys.